Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change navigation buttons on your Android phone. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and swipe or find your settings app. Now from your settings, you're going to click on display. Now from display here, we're going to scroll down a little bit further until we see navigation bar. Now in the navigation bar is all the settings that you can change for your navigation buttons. First thing you can change is if you want to go from buttons to gesture swipe, you can, or from gesture swipe to buttons as well as option. Additionally, if you click on more options, this is where you can actually change the buttons. There's a couple options you may see. For example, this phone allows us to go either directions. If I switch it over, you'll see the icons changing right here. So if I want to change it back, I can tap on that as well. So that's how you can change the navigation buttons on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.